Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Helen and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. On this channel, I focus on helping you discover practical ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Whether it is print on demand, affiliate marketing or other income streams that I have found successful, I'm here to share valuable skills, tips and advice drawn from my own experience. Today, I'm launching a brand new series called Answering Your Questions. This series is all about breaking down the most frequently asked questions and addressing any queries you might have about print on demand, affiliate marketing, and more. I have noticed that a lot of you are curious about how this method works, whether they can really help you make money, and what it takes to get started. So, I'm here to guide you through it all step by step. In today's video, we are starting with a fundamental question: what is a print on demand? If you have heard the term before but aren't quite sure what it means or how it works, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what print on demand is and whether it could be a good fit for you. So, what exactly is print on demand? Simply put, print on demand is a business model where products are only created after a customer places an order. This means there is no need to keep any inventory upfront, which drastically reduces the financial risk and hassle that typically comes with starting a business. Let me break it down for you further by using my own example. First, you create a design. This can be anything you want. In my case, I created this personalized birthday invitation. I made a full tutorial on how I designed it, so feel free to check it out if you like to learn more. Next, you upload the design and make it available for sale on the marketplace where you are selling your products. For me, that is Zazzle, a print-on-demand platform. I list my product there. When a customer searches for a specific item and their query matches your product, you make a sale. The platform then notifies you of the sale, including details about your royalty. In this case, I earned a higher royalty because the product is an instant download. If it was a physical product, the royalty might be a little bit small. But the best part is that it would only be printed or manufactured after someone buys it. The platform handles everything from printing to packaging and shipping. That allow you to focus on creating and marketing your design. In a nutshell, that is what print on demand is. One of the biggest benefits of print on demand is that you don't need to invest in bulk inventory, which means lower upfront cost and reduced risk. You can literally start print on demand with zero upfront cost. You can test out different designs and products without worrying about unsold stock piling up in your garage. Another advantage is the flexibility it offers. You can easily experiment with new designs, target different niche, and even create seasonal products without the need for significant upfront investment. Now, while print on demand can be a fantastic way to make money from home, it's important to set realistic expectations. Success doesn't happen overnight, and like any other business, it requires effort, creativity, and willingness to learn and adapt. But don't let that discourage you. With the right approach and mindset, print on demand can be a highly rewarding way to earn extra income or even build a full-time business. So that is a quick overview of what print on demand is and how it works. I hope this has helped clarify things for you. In the next video, I'll be diving deeper into whether you can actually make a living with print on demand and the strategies you can use to make it work. So if you are interested in learning more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when that video goes live. And if you have any questions about print on demand, affiliate marketing, or anything else related to earning money from home, drop them in the comments below. I'll be answering more of your questions in this series, so I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.